I'm with Sherry Calbaum, author of The Juice Lady's Living Foods Revolution, and we are here in the Beyond Organic kitchen. And you know, Sherry, if you're the Juice Lady, then I'm the ice cream man. Because today we are serving a delicious and healthy ice cream recipe loaded with probiotics, and believe it or not, it could be the healthiest thing you serve all week. In fact, Sherry, my kids eat ice cream anytime they want. And it's awesome, and it can be made in minutes. Let's show them how.
It's so easy. So you use amasi, I know.
Yep, cultured dairy based on the African tradition. You can also use whole milk yogurt, kefir, or Greek yogurt, which makes it very thick.
And
wow, what is that delicious blend of orange?
Egg, look at this beautiful organic pasture-raised egg.
Okay, now listen, folks. Egg yolk is a staple and one of the secret ingredients for ice cream, hollandaise sauce, and even for Caesar salad dressing. It gives it a great flavor and loaded with nutrients. I see some unheated honey. Honey is a pre-digested food. It is awesome, both orally and topically. So you're just mixing with a whisk.
Yeah, look at that. You can put it in a blender. I understand you do.
Oh, I do that 3-minute ice cream, but we don't even need a blender here.
That's right. If you don't have a blender, don't worry. Just get out your whisk or get out your big spoon and stir it up. Just add some muscle to this, you know, and you've got ice cream.
Now it's thick and delicious, and this is a great vanilla ice cream base or ice amasi. Oftentimes when I will make blender ice cream, I'll start with this base and then we'll add fresh or frozen fruit of your choice. Vanilla makes a great base for ice cream in the bowl and ice cream in a pie. So what do we do now that we have this 2-minute ice amasi recipe?
So simple, so easy, isn't it? You can just go ahead and spoon some into your ice cream maker if you want. I'm not going to go ahead and put all of that in there, just to give you an idea. That's what you can do. Or you can put it in a bowl. Now we froze some in this big bowl. You could put it in a smaller bowl. I'm going to dish some up for you because I bet you like
Fantastic. Now what you want to do if you make ice cream either in a bowl or blender ice cream, you want to freeze it in a glass bowl, and it'll take about 2 to 3 hours to become hard. Oftentimes, Sherry, I will put different pieces of fruit. So for example, you've got the mix of the ice amasi, frozen yogurt ice cream. You take blueberries, you sprinkle them throughout, you blend right here, and so then you've got vanilla with strawberry, vanilla with blueberry, vanilla with banana, and it's almost like a frozen banana pudding at that point. This looks really, really good. I'm going to try it just to make sure that everything is satisfactory.
Right. Did I do your recipe? This is Jordan's recipe, so how did it turn out?
Really, really good. And it's a little bit icy because we didn't use the ice cream maker for this one. Wow, it's rich and delicious. Really, really good. And now we can do ice cream pie with a raw ice cream crust. My kids don't get birthday cake. Each and every birthday, I make them an ice cream pie of their choice. You can even, Sherry, use raw cacao to make a chocolate pie.
Oh,
we oftentimes will make banana peanut butter chocolate pie. These are amazing recipes. So tell us what's in this raw crust, Sherry, because this is healthy in and of itself.
It is. We've got pecans in here, and dates, and flaxseed, Celtic sea salt, and a little vanilla.
So how did you get the dates in here? Because I know that's what makes it pressable, so to speak.
That's right. So put it in your food processor and just kind of pulse it. You know, first you pulse and get your nuts ground up, and then you put in your dates and pulse it a little bit and get your dates ground up, and then just add your other ingredients.
And if you don't have a food processor, you can pit the dates or buy date paste to press it in. What I do is similar to this. I will make an ice cream pie by taking a meatloaf dish, really just like a Pyrex or glass bakingware, and pour it in right after I press in this crust. Now this is a raw crust, and you also have flax seeds in here, don't you?
Yes, which give you some omega-3 fatty acids, so this is a healthy crust. Throw out those graham cracker crusts, not good for you, don't use them ever again. Make your own homemade.
Did I tell you that ice cream could be healthy? Ice amasi, frozen yogurt, ice kefir, you better believe it can.
So, and here's an idea. If you've got diabetes or hypoglycemia, pre-diabetes, insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome, anything in that category, you can use stevia in here. You don't have to use the honey, and it's still going to taste absolutely fabulous.
So you basically just scoop it in, Sherry, And you go ahead, if you want to put things on top, you probably want to wait a little while, right, for the ice cream center to freeze.
Right.
Or if you want to lace berries within this, you can always press them down. And what I do for my son Joshua, when I make him an ice cream pie, he always likes it when I take different berries and put a J right through the middle. That makes the cake for him.
And speaking of the cake,
what I love about this, Sherry, is it looks just like a delicious, nutritious pie that you would get anywhere. And I will tell you, because of how hearty and nourishing it is, a small piece goes a long way. And what's even better, you get to try it at home. This delicious recipe and many other healthy and nutritious recipes are available free just by logging on to our website. I'm Jordan, along with Sherry, reminding you to eat beyond organic.